Hello, it is Saturday. I realized that I had started the vlog yesterday, but didn't really open it up, so we are doing that. But yeah, so yesterday Rudy and I went to a couple places. I had to go to Bath and Body, well, we both did, but go to Bath and Body Works. No, I haven't. She had. Oh, there's one that she had. Okay, I want that one. I'll just show you some of the stuff that we got. Got the kitchen lemon. I use that one a lot in our kitchen, even though our kitchen's a tore up mess right now. Rudy got this one he liked. Cotton tea. Smells pretty good. This one here, I really like the bottle on this one. This is one that Rudy and I always get when we go there. The white tea and sage. Then mahogany teakwood's another one we get quite often. The stress leaf one's pretty good. And then this one here I got, it's white waves I got from my classroom. It's not focusing. And then they have a bunch of new wallflowers, so we bought some of those too. This was the one that we really liked. It was Pacific Ocean Air. It smells really good. It has like I don't know how to describe it, like a beach, not really even beach, I don't know how to describe it, like, it has like a piney scent, and then like ocean watery kind of, I don't know, so that one's good. We got two of those ones just because we really liked that one. There was another one that we found that I really liked, but they were sold out of it, so then we got another white tea and sage in the wallflower, so they kind of go together. Then mahogany coconut is a good one, and our other one we got was vanilla and patchouli. So that's all that stuff. And then today we started out just going to like a local hardware store that we have in town to pick up some stuff for like we're going to be redoing our caulking in our bathroom in the shower area. So we started looking at stuff there, and then Rudy was like, oh, I'm gonna go check out the Salvation Army because I'm looking for something. I'm like, okay. So we went there. At our school we're doing a book drive, so which it hasn't officially started. I think it starts this week coming up. But I just happened to be there, and they had a bunch of these, like a bunch of books that were still in like pretty good condition for 15 cents a piece at the Salvation Army. So I got that one. There's a lot of nonfiction books there that I picked up, which is always good. So, and I just picked up ones that look like they're in really good condition. Just because I'm not sure if they have to be new books or not, but I figured these ones here look like they're pretty much new books. And then that one there. So, picked up all of that, and then we ran around and like went to a bunch of different thrift stores because that started our thrift store thing. Oh, I didn't get my t-shirt that I must have left in there. I found this like t-shirt that I really liked. It was like a vintage looking t-shirt. It was from the Gap, and it had like this circle of guitars going around it. It was brown, which I don't normally wear brown shirts, so that was a little different than what I normally wear. So I got that, and then we went to the antique stores because when we were at Goodwill, because we went from the Salvation Army to Goodwill, when I was at Goodwill, so I got the shirt. I found this old Polaroid camera that I was like, oh, and I almost got it, but then it was like $2.99. But it wasn't really the one that I wanted. And so we were like, I know that sometimes the antique stores will have them. And so we were like, okay, let's go check out there. Of course, none of them have them right now. So I'll have to check out somewhere else. But so that's what we went around and did. We went around to different antique stores and just kind of shopped around. So, and it's now almost 2 o'clock. And so I'm going to try to start recording some podcast stuff and see how that goes. So, yeah. Bottom area. Yeah, the down here, the Playboys. Welcome to Coffee Talk Monday. This will be a weekly podcast where I focus on personal improvement topics and tips. Good morning. It is Sunday, and I am trying to edit my vlog, but for some reason, it is not working. I don't know. So, but I'm also going downstairs in a second to finish my laundry. So let me grab my laundry basket. And we'll go down there and do that while I wait to figure out what's going on. I did get my intro episode done of Coffee Talk Monday. I think I might re-record it though because the dogs kept barking. And so it sounds kind of choppy. And so I'm like, I think I'm just going to re-record it. I can't buy my flip-flops. So I might re-record it, but I wanted to get it up to see what it sounded like. So it is up on my podcast host right now, but I'm going to have Rudy listen to it. Give me a little bit of feedback. See if he likes it. But, sorry, I don't mean to keep talking about the podcast, but I'm actually really excited about it too. And I get to go down to my ugly basement, so here we go. But I don't know what is going on with Premiere Pro right now. I tried to upload. Oh, good, it's all ready to go. I tried to upload, but for some reason it wasn't working. So who knows? But yes, this is our basement, and it's ugly. I think I've shown it before, but it's really ugly. All right, let me go ahead and get all this changed over, and I'll be right back. So that's all going now. I didn't realize, I guess apparently, I don't know, somehow I got way more clothes than I had before. And so I was like looking at like, oh my god, I have so much laundry. So, Rudy's out grocery shopping right now. And he should be back soon. So, but let me go check on the Premiere Pro and figure out what's going on. Because it was just like stuck. And it's like, I'm trying to get this done. And now I have this vlog that is now a separate vlog from, why is the light on? Anyway, so it's like a separate vlog from, yeah, it just stopped working. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Now, I kind of separated for this time here. I don't know if it's gonna be all the time I'm gonna separate the weekend vlogs. I just had stuff I was doing, so I decided to incorporate them, but it may not be all the time, so don't plan on always having a weekend vlog. It just depends on what we're doing.